operation division. Division can be described as a process of determining how many times one number is contained in another number. So it seems like it's quite complicated definition, but this is just about how many times one number is contained in another number. For example, 8 divided by 2, because we can write 8 is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2 4 times. That's why 2 is contained in 8 4 times. So result is 4. And in this case, 8 is called dividend. 2 is called divisor. And 4 is called quotient. Another example is 24 divided by 6. And because 24 can be written as 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, here it will be 12, this will be 18, and this will be 24. That's why 6 is contained in 24 4 times, and the result is 4. Next, let's have an example of division. 28 divided by 7, which is equal to 4. And in this case, the quotient 4 is the whole number. And sometimes quotient is not whole number. Assume an example, 19 divided by 5. Because if we have 5 one time, it will be 5. 5 two times will be 10. 3 times will be 15. And 4 times is already 20, where 19 is somewhere here. That's why 5 is contained in 19 3 times. And we write 3 times 5, which is 15, and plus 4. And 4 is called the remainder. But if quotient is the whole number, and as in this example, and 7 divide 28, and the result is whole number, in this case, we can say that 28 is multiple of 7, and 7 is a divisor of 28, because 4 here is a whole number. That's why, once again, 28 is multiple of 7, and 7 is a divisor of 28. Next, let's talk about operation of raising a number to a power. For example, if we have some number a and rising to a power, some number n, here n is called exponent, and a is called base. And assume we have result b, and in this case b is called power. How this operation, raising a number to a power, is defined? We can, for easy explanation, define it as several multiplication. For example, 2 on the power of 3 is multiplication several times, and exactly 3 times. 3 times. So once again, raising a number to a power, assume the power is the whole number. In this case, this is about multiplication of 2 to itself, and it's done 3 times, and the result will be 8. Another example is 3 to the power of 4 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, and it's done 4 times. And the result will be 81. If we talk about if n is equal to 2, then 2 is called square, so a squared. And if n is equal to 3, this is cube. This is called cube and a cubed. And once again, everyone must remember that a on the power of 1 is again a, and a on the power of 0 is 1. And we will talk about maybe later when we better understand mathematics, because at this stage, this is only a definition of the operations, of arithmetic operations. Let's further talk about root of the number. Say we have a root of the number a, and root also has a power, say n, and how to calculate, for example, square root of 4, we also write it without this number 2, just square root of 4. Third root of 27, third root of 8, fifth root of 32. How to calculate all of these examples? Let's move to the definition. I will define it informally, just for better understanding. For example, third root of 8 is 2. Why? Because if we multiply 2 to itself, and we take, for this multiplication, 2 3 times, because the power is 3. So 2 multiplied to itself, and we take 2 3 times, the answer is 2, because exactly 2 is multiplied to itself. Once again, for example, fifth root of 32 is also 2, because we have to multiply 2 to itself. And we have to take 2 5 times. Why 5 times? Because the power of the root is 5. And what number we took and multiplied to itself? We took it 5 times to receive 32. What number? This number is 2. Along the same line, any square root can be calculated. For example, third root of 8 is 2. We already know it. And, third root of 27 is 3, because we have to multiply 3 to itself and take 3 exactly 3 times to receive 27. It's important to understand that root of the number is an opposite operation to rising to the power. For example, if we have 2 and by rising to the power 3 we have 8, then opposite operation is third root of 8 will bring your 8 to the initial point 2. This was an understanding of the root of the number. Further, we will solve more complicated problems to better understand this topic. It was just a definition and understanding of basic arithmetic operation. It was everything I wanted to talk about for today. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.